With futuristic 3D food printers, anyone could instantly create gourmet meals from cartridges of ingredients. Hunger and food shortages could disappear as recipes become downloadable. Personalized nutrition would allow people to design meals tailored to their health. Farmers and restaurants might struggle as traditional food industries collapse. Taste and culture could shift as food becomes more about technology than cooking. Questions of safety, authenticity, and tradition would arise. The world's relationship with food would change forever. Eating might become less of an art and more of a science.